Fireworks, which cost 2 for £20. Got fireworks safety. There's some sparklers at the bottom. I think this is. So what you get is 2 rockets, 11 fireworks, 3 shot tubes, and 1 multi-shot. 21 shot.
21 shot.
It's got 21 fireworks in one.
21 shots it fires.
21 fireworks go up.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I think we did this the last time.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Was it Twilight last time?
No, but
it's virtually the same, isn't it?
Yeah, but some of
It
them,
comes with
some of
so
them are the
many
same.
fireworks.
I'm gonna do a 5-shot Roman candle.
5-shot Roman candle. Yeah, bury it. Deep. You have to push it deep. No, just push it down. It'll go. A soft ground. Deep.
Do in the corner.
Deep. More. More. More.
Okay, I think that's enough, Dad.
More. See. I'll go and light it then. Yeah, hold it near it and then. You should hold it near it and light it. Yeah. 5-shot Roman candle, move where it's going to go high. Ooh! 5. That's it. It goes high.
Cool, I like that.
For a second there, it looked like it failed. So at least this one worked. Oh look, there's a rocket.
That one looks great.
Okay, next one. How many you got left?
We got 1,
You
6.
This is the MADISON 5-shot Roman candle.
Yeah. Push it in so it's firm. Push it in more.
Yeah, so it's at the bottom.
Move back. Keep holding it. So he gives 5 shots into the air. Yeah, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your 5-shot MADISON Roman candle. That was okay.
Don't wave it around, those can come out.
Let's get rid of it.